Nigerians are set to be treated to another round of legal sessions over the February 25th presidential election as former vice president and presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) Atiku Abubakar and his Labour Party LP counterpart Peter Obi announced not only their displeasure with the ruling of the Presidential Election Petition Court (PEPC) on Wednesday, but their determination to appeal the judgment and pursue justice in court to the Supreme Court. Peter Obi àti Atiku Abubakar ní àwọn faramọ́ ìdájọ́ tó jáde láti Tribunal. Wọ́n ní àfi dandan káwọn tẹ̀síwájú lọ sí Supreme Court. Welcome to DIGINAIJA, where we bring you the latest stories. Remember to like, share and follow us. The Tribunal on Wednesday ruled that the petition filed by Obi, Atiku and their parties had no merit and unanimously upheld the election of President Bola Tinubu. The judgment was delivered by the chairman of the Tribunal, Justice Haruna Samani, assisted by other members of the panel, Justices Monsurat Bolaji Yusuf, Stephen Ada, Moses Ugo and Abba Mohammed. While Atiku slammed the PEPC ruling, saying the judgment was bereft of substantial justice as it failed to restore confidence in democracy, Obi insisted it would exhaust every legal process available to him. Atiku, who spoke at a press conference at the National Secretariat of the PDP, disclosed that he had already instructed his lawyers to file an appeal at the Supreme Court against the judgment of the PEPC.
I am here today to give my official reaction to the judgment delivered yesterday by the Presidential Election Petition Court on the 2023 presidential elections. As you already know, I approached the court following the declaration of INEC or by INEC that the APC and its candidates are the winners of the February 25th elections. My decision to go to court is anchored in my belief that the court is the sanctuary of justice. The journey of my political career, as you know, holds so much to the courage and fearlessness decisions of our judiciary. Indeed, I am no stranger to legal battles. And I can say that I have a fair idea of how the court system works. All through my career as a politician, I have been a fighter and will continue to fight. And I must say that I have found the judiciary as a worthy pillar to rest on the pursuit of justice.
The LP flag bearer Obi, speaking at a press briefing in Onitsha, Anambra State, disagreed with the judgment, but praised the panel for delivering it in the stipulated time frame.
The Presidential Election Petition Court, PEPC, finally delivered its long-awaited judgments on petitions challenging the outcome of the presidential election held on 25th of February 2023. This judgment was delivered within the statutory time frame under the excellent status. We acknowledge the court's contributions to due process and seeming attempt to strengthen our democracy. As petitioners in this case, we respect the views and ruling of the court, but we disagree with the court's reasoning and conclusions in the judgment it delivered. It is my intention as the presidential candidate and the intention of Labour Party to challenge this judgment by way of appeal immediately as allowed by the Constitution of Federal Republic of Nigeria. The PEPC has rendered its judgment, but that esteemed body is not the final arbiter. The responsibility now falls on the Supreme Court I do know that the judgment is not conterminous with justice. I implore Nigerians to remain focused, steadfast, and peaceful, and to abide by the rule of law and understand this matter has not reached its logical conclusion. Our legal team has already received our firm instruction to file an appeal against the decision.
Obi underscored the pivotal role of solid national institutions and the public's confidence in them in a thriving democracy. He pointed out that electoral litigation could be significantly reduced if INEC discharged its statutory functions transparently and fairly. While congratulatory messages have been rolling in for President Bola Tinubu, many Nigerians have also reacted to the outcome of the Tribunal saga.
The judge, they know what they did. And I believe that these people still have chance to go to Supreme Court. Then after Supreme Court, they can write petition to God.
Yes, from what I saw and what I heard from the judges, they did a very good scrutiny of the case. And I think to my own understanding, little understanding about law, I think it's fair. It's fair enough.
It wasn't fair at all. And the reason is this. That was not what we expected from the judiciary. The judiciary happens to be the last hope of the masses. But for them to give us past such judgment is not fair. They should think of the future of our children, because we ourselves, our time has passed already. But what about our children? Our parents complained. We complained. Our children too, we want them to complain. It's not fair.
Remember to follow us for more stories, like, comment and share. This is DIGINAIJA. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.